you need evidence that you've been able to use formulas in a spreadsheet. If you haven't got that any other way, here's a quick way that you can give that evidence. A lot of you have looked at charts like this or in PictoChart and picked out like percentages. So for example, a useful statistic here would be most lessons 37.8%, and you've just used that 37.8% in your infographic. We're just going to quickly do a formula to grab that 37.8%, and then that will be the evidence that you need. So this is the column, how often do you plan a lesson requires the use of digital devices, and I'm looking at this most lessons, what percentage of the responses are most lessons. Scrolling to the bottom, I've already started. In this one, I've got an equals countif, and I've selected the range, which is this entire column here, and I've said equals countif. In this range, how many values match that most lessons? And it's given me the answer of 34. In this column, in this cell, sorry, I've put equals count A, and that just counts how many values there are. It's kind of a stupid one because I know from F2 to F92, obviously there's 90 cells there, so I've got the answer 90. So the last thing I need to do is one last formula, and I'm just going to make it equal to this one divided by this one, and you can see it's previewing the answer here, which is that 37.0377, but I want it as a percentage, so I'm going to multiply by 100, 37.8%. And if you can put into your evidence document that you've got that, 3 formulas being used, you've ticked that box quite nicely.